Hi guys, welcome back to Just an Ordinary Girl. So today I come to you with another video, and it's about this here, what I ordered off of Walmart. It's called a mesh nebulizer, and since I'm a singer, I was thinking that this would be good for me when I get dry in the throat. Here, I'll show you. So I got this in the mail today, but I got it from Walmart, and the price was $29.79. And it was shipped by Joybuy. It's called a portable nebulizer. If you just type it into Walmart, you could see that. And so we're going to go ahead and open it. Let me show you the box. And that's what it looks like. We're going to open it and see what it is. What it looks like. I've never used one of these before, but I have heard that when you're a singer, using a nebulizer is really good, especially the mesh kinds. It can help keep your throat, moist. Okay, so it comes with a certificate, and it looks like it says a certificate, and it's showing you that it passed. And then there's an accessory, and then here's a step-by-step operating guide, which has all kinds of pictures on it. And here's an instruction manual, just a regular manual. And then has a nice little bag that you can put it in. And here it is. It's so tiny, which is good because they're portable. So that's what it looks like. I'll show you up close in a second. Let me get out the rest of it. Okay. So this has to be open too. I'm just going to put a little cut in this bag. And bring out the masks. So it comes with a little part that you for your mouth, and then two mask sizes. One that looks like it could be a child's type mask, and an adult size mask. And it also comes with a charging cord. So that's a USB, and I got my own batteries because it's battery operated too. So let me show you everything up close. Here's the big mask. Here's the tiny one. And here's the one for your mouthpiece. Here's what that looks like. So I'm gonna do the battery. So I'm going to just pop this open. I'm going to put my batteries inside. Now let's see. The plus goes this way. Okay. And the plus goes that way. Okay, at least it's lighting up so I can tell. And then this comes off like that. Just a little cap, rubber cap. And then this piece slides over top. And then this is where you put your water in this little reservoir. So here I have some cold distilled water. We're just going to go ahead and pour it in a little bit. Oops, a little bit high. and it's already coming out. Whew, I put too much in again. Okay, we got that. I guess I should have waited. It was already on, so we'll turn that back off. We'll put it back on so you can see the mist already. Now this is really good because I also suffer from asthma, which I don't have much of. So this is what you do. You just put it over top and then just breathe. Just breathe normally, like you would any other, any other time. Ooh. So it's nice. It's nice. I like it. You can feel it working real nice. So yeah, but that's what you do. Let's see. I'm gonna try that mouthpiece too while I have you here. I get a lot of dry throat, so this should help with that too. And then you can do it this way. Let's see, it's not coming out yet. There, I just do a little shake of it. Oh, it's nice. So yeah, so that's what I bought, and I'm gonna do some of these breathing things when I need it. I'm hoping that it'll help with my dry mouth, and I have watched several videos on this, and there are some out there that they say you can put a good saline solution in here, like a 009 or something. I'm not going to quote it, but that's kind of what I heard. And because the saline's supposed to go onto the vocal cords and really help it. But water is what I would think is the safest for me, anyways. You guys can do what you want. I'm not telling you what to do. But yeah, this is going to be really nice to have. And anyways, I hope you like this little video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And love yourself and others. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. And just as a disclosure, I'm not a medical professional. So please make sure you read all the instructions. And I would wash all these first, because I didn't do it. And I think you guys should. But sit down where it's calming. This feels good. I'm enjoying it. Okay guys, see you on the next one. Bye bye.